Hello, this is Architect Maran on behalf of Essence Interiors Coimbatore. In this series of videos, we are explaining you in depth about what a modular kitchen in our context, particularly to Indian context. So in this episode, I'll explain it to you what are all the mechanical or the sophisticated component that can go into a modular kitchen. The first is your accessory. So depends on the brand and the kind of quality of material in which it's built. The cost can vary possibly twice that of another quality. The second option or the second element that constitutes the mechanical component is a slider. So a slider which is now being so sophisticated that nowadays you get even elements like soft closing drawers. The main component which to facilitate this action is a slider. A slider which is made of some reputed brand will have its own brand value, which can also equally make a cost impact on the overall cost of a modular kitchen. The second important element is the interface hardware, that's a handle. So handle design can vary between a curvature element or a straight line handle, or the material in which it's made, be it stainless steel or be it an alloy or be it an aluminum based material. So in these cases we insist on using a stainless steel handle because in our context of Indian usage we prone to use so much of wet vessels, and possibly with wet hands you might need to open up your kitchen shutters. So in that case, direct contact with wet fingers, definitely we would insist on stainless steel handles. The other important element is a hinge. The hinge is an element that actually holds the shutter, and when it's closed, it depends on the quality of the hinge. You either have an auto closing hinge which might give a little sound when the shutter is closed, or even you can have a more sophisticated soft closing hinges where you close it at any speed and the shutter closes at its own speed. And elements like under cabinet light, electro-domestic gadgets like chimneys and hobs, sinks, your faucet, and all other things would constitute the minor elements which comes into the modular kitchen, and depends on the quality of this material, the cost of the modular kitchen would vary. Thanks for watching.